So once you've successfully installed Joomla, the next step now is we're going to install the Jce components, the editor. I love this editor because it allows you to, edit your content, and it's one of the most popular editors for Joomla. So to do that, first, let's change the password that we created, or rather the password that was automatically generated. It's important that you do this because you can forget it and then you'll be able to log into the site. So you want to go over to users, you want to click on manage, and then you want to click on the username, which is going to be super user. So I'm just going to leave everything as it is, and I'm just going to change the password and then click on save and close. It's asking me if I want to save this for Chrome. So I don't really want to save that, but if you want to, you can certainly do so. All right, so next we're going to go over now to extensions. You want to click on to manage. This is where we're going to install the Joomla directory directly on the site. Now, this is another great feature that came with Joomla 3.2 that allows you to install components directly from your website. Now, let's go over here to Joomla, Joomla.org. And what you notice here is that there's a section here called the JED. So when you speak to people about Joomla, or they want you to go somewhere to download things, they're usually going to tell you to go on a section called the JED. So which is the extensions directory. So let me click on this here to give an idea of what happened. So when you come here, the way that you used to do this before is you would have to come here, find an extension, go to the developer's website, purchase it, do all that. And then you would have to upload it to your site. With this new system now is you can click this link where it says add install from web tab. Okay, once you clicked on it, you should have all the extensions that are listed here show here, but it's not showing. So the way that we're going to do this is let's fix this. Go to system, and then you want to go to global configuration. And then we're going to go over to the system where it says the cache. You want to click on the drop down. You want to disable the cache for now. Save and close. And then you want to go over to system and you want to click on clear cache. So you want to click there and just click on delete. So now we're going to go back over to extensions and you want to click on the manage. And as you see right now, it's loading. So it's going to load all those extensions. Now that's something that I found out that sometimes when you click on the install from web tab, sometimes the extensions directory didn't load up. So I actually, did some research and some testing, and that's how I was able to, find a solution for that. So if you're having a hard time when you click on that, nothing happens, just do that, then you should be able to see everything from there. Okay, so from here now, you notice you have a variety of different extensions. All the stuff that's located here, you can pretty much just come back here and just install it. So we're going to locate Jce, type it in. So it's right here. No, that's not it. Okay, so this is the Jce. So we're just going to click on it, and you want to click on install, install again. So this is going to install the Jce editor on your site. Okay, once that's done, you want to go back to system, global configuration. So we're going to let Joomla know that this new component that we just installed, we want to use this as the default editor throughout the entire site. So where it says default editor, you click on it and you have the Jce, save and close. So now Jce is the default editor of your website. Let's move on to the next lesson.